Hi, Crystalline. You look great. Tell us what's going on.
Well, we just got word that they are going to rip off, well, start ripping off the back end of the house. So we're really excited. And Jack is really excited about this tractor hoe over here. He will not stop saying tractor hoe.
Jack, what is that? Big? A big what? What kind of truck is that? What kind of truck is it? Is that a tractor hoe? Okay, now he won't.
Now he's speechless.
Now he's not saying tractor hoe.
So anyway,
All right.
we're really excited.
We're gonna pause it now, and we'll be back when it starts.